Today's video, I will share with you how to make a no-sew Cookie Monster, Elmo, and even Oscar the Grouch Halloween costume using thrift store items. For my reseller friends out there, stick around to the end of the video to see what Halloween costume that was imperfect sold within days of listing. You can go as a group of people. My son, daughter, and I went dressed as Cookie Monster, Oscar, and Elmo. Each one is unique in their own way. The blue one is a blue hoodie jacket with blue fur and goofy eyes. Oscar the Grouch is a green full zip hoodie, complete with eyebrows. Oscar the Grouch has a matching t-shirt. And then Elmo is a red full zip hoodie with red fur and an orange nose, complete with a red Elmo character t-shirt. Each of these costumes were created in a similar manner by hot gluing and pinning a feather boa onto the hood and then gluing the styrofoam eyes on. It's a quick, easy, and inexpensive Halloween costume that you can create yourself. You can pick up these character t-shirts at the thrift store. I buy them all year round. Cookie Monster did have a t-shirt, but to be honest, I'm not real sure what happened to it. But we did have it at one time, and that's what we wore to trick or treat on Halloween. Many of the supplies you may already own. The supplies needed to complete this easy DIY Halloween costume include a feather boa, safety pins, hot glue, styrofoam balls, and if you're Oscar the Grouch, you need the faux fur for the eyebrows. If you're making an Elmo costume, you need orange felt. And for any of the costumes, you will need some black felt to put on the eyes. The items that I picked up from the local thrift shop include the full zip hooded jacket, as well as the character tees. So if you have a Goodwill in town, you could probably pick up these items anywhere from $3 to $5 each to save some money on your one-of-a-kind Halloween costume. My name is Xandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I'm a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. And what that means is I buy items low at garage sales and thrift stores and flip the items online. I've been a reseller on eBay for over 20 years. However, I do make great sales on Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. For all of my reseller friends out there, I recently sold a Little Miss Red Riding Hood Halloween costume with a broken zipper for $28 shipped. I picked this up at a garage sale for just $2. So while you're outsourcing, keep your eye open for any Halloween costume, new, used, adult, children, imperfect, or not. As the closer it gets to Halloween, these items do sell. I am an empty nester now, as both of my children have grown and my youngest just went away to college. But I have always enjoyed Halloween and making my children's costumes, and I would love to share my ideas and how to and DIY with all of you. If this sounds like something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click that notification bell to be notified of my latest video. I do plan on creating more videos of how I've created easy and inexpensive Halloween costumes for my children using thrifted items from Goodwill, yard sales, and thrift stores. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed to my channel, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, tap the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. Give this one a thumbs up, which tells me you like this content. I will link another video here. Continue watching.